The fistula from external anal sphincter. How far is the fistula from external anal sphincter? And if it is very near to the external anal sphincter, within 2.5 centimeters of external urethral sphincter, it may involve the sphincteric mechanism because it will be at the level of urethrovesical junction. So it will involve the sphincteric mechanism of a bladder. So even if you close the fistula, later on this patient may develop stress urinary incontinence. And also find out what is the length of vaginal wall. If it is an obstetrical fistula with vaginal stenosis or fibrosis, the vaginal length may be very small. If it is less than 8 centimeter, that means there is a loss of vaginal tissue, and even if you repair it, there may be difficulty in closing the vaginal wall. And this patient may require a graft for closure of vagina. Okay? Then assess the pubic arch. If pubic arch is less than 85 degrees angle, it's a narrow pubic arch, there may be a difficult access to the fistula. Difficult access to the fistula. So these are the things which we want to see on examination under anesthesia. Number of fistulae, site of fistulae, fibrosis along the fistulous tract, length of vagina, subpubic arch, is it involving the sphincteric mechanism or not? Is there any other associated rectovaginal fistula? Sometimes there may be a small associated rectovaginal fistula. Patient may not come up with the signs and symptoms suggestive of rectovaginal fistula, but you may see it under anesthesia. So that is the purpose of doing. Make a checklist and fill the checklist while you are performing examination under anesthesia. You will not miss anything. Okay, that is mandatory. Then the position of a patient on operation table, that is important. If you are doing it by a vaginal route, then patient should be placed in a lithotomy position with a maximum head down tilt and bring the bottom of the patient about 6 inches below the edge of fistula. This helps you in a good exposure. And then what we do is we stick the labia minora laterally over the thighs. So if you stitch the labia minora laterally over the thighs, it will give you a good exposure. Good exposure. So this is how we perform this fistula repair. Once you have seen a fistula, assume that this is vagina. Outermost layer is a vagina. समझ आ रही है ना बात? This outermost layer is a vagina. And एक लड़की ग्लव्स पहनने, 2 लड़के. हाँ, कहाँ पता नहीं कोई भी होगी पाएगा. But my assistant पता. Okay. So this outermost layer is vagina. The innermost layer is bladder epithelium. This one is a bladder epithelium. Okay. Pinkish जो मैंने आपको वीडियो में दिखाया ना, this pinkish innermost layer is a vaginal epithelium, and this is the vagina, and this is a muscle layer. Okay. What you do is, after placing a patient in a lithotomy position with the head down till spinal, we usually perform under spinal anesthesia. We apply 4 Ellis tissue forceps a little bit away from the edge of the fistula. Okay. ये अब देखें exposure. हाँ? Can you see it? Once you apply traction, you can see the fistulous tract clearly. Okay? Is that visible to everyone? Okay. Once it is visible, तो लगी ही न जो नाइफा ही न विंडो पता ही नंदो है 15 नंबर पे ये मुझे दे ही न विंडो है
सर्जिकल ब्लेड दूसरा देंगे इसको। फरा सर्जिकल ब्लेड है दूसरा।
ये नवे पहले फिस्टुला बनाए तो सही ना बेटा। एक
फाइब्रस एज में
सबसे पहले ना सर्कमफ्रेंशियल इंसिजन हाफ
0.5
सेंटीमीटर,
सेंटीमीटर और उसके बाद 2 सेंटीमीटर
नहीं
मोबिलाइजेशन।
उसके बाद द फिस्टुला इज लार्ज लेटरल एक्सटेंशन ऑफ दैट इंसिजन
बेटा
और फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर सेपरेशन
मंगाओ
ऑफ
ना,
द
ऐसे
ओवरलाइन
नहीं कर सकते।
मैम वो लेने
डॉक्टर सफिया ना 4 से मैडम आएंगे।
Okay, so what we do is we take the stitch from muscular layer of the bladder, muscular layer of the bladder. We skip the bladder mucosa. We skip the bladder mucosa.
आर्टरी लगा दें।
ये मैडम थ्रेड कोई मसला नहीं।
And this bladder is closed in 2 layers with Vicryl 20 or 30. You can use 20 and you can use 30 Vicryl. Okay.
एजेस से क्योंकि
First we take stitches from both the corners and then we take the stitch from center. There is no forceps. I am taking stitch
Muscular
from
layer.
muscle layer of the
wall,
bladder.
leaving the mucosal layer behind.
Yes. And the distance, it should be a watertight closure. The distance should not bladder all around the fistula tract. All around
The fistula
the fistula
tract.
tract. Okay. For a distance of at least 2 centimeter.
1 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कमफ्रेंशियल इंसिजन देना है।
नहीं, half centimeter.
हाफ सेंटीमीटर अवे फ्रॉम
Away
फिस्टुला और 2
from the
सेंटीमीटर
fistula.
फेशियल
ठीक
डिफेक्ट
है।
करना।
और 2 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस के
Facial
ऊपर
defect
आपने
हमने
vaginal
mobilize
wall
किया.
is
I have separated the vaginal wall from underlying bladder muscle. This is a bladder muscle for a distance of at least 2 centimeters.
centimeters.
Mobility should be at least of 2 centimeters. There should be a good mobilization so that the stitches are tension free. Tension free. अगर mobilization अच्छी नहीं होगी तो you are applying stitches under tension. ठीक, which may end up in failure. All around the fistula tract, okay? All around the fistula tract.
2 सेंटीमीटर
2 सेंटीमीटर सारी fistula tract की हमने करनी है, ठीक है? All around the fistula tract. Is that clear? Yeah. All around the fistula tract, okay? You can see how it is being separated. Is that clear?
जी मैम
Once you have separated the vaginal
wall
wall
from the underlying bladder muscle
bladder
2 सेंटीमीटर
all around the fistula tract, then बेटा forceps नहीं है ना, बड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है मेरे लिए. Then you excise the fibrous tissue at the edge of fistula. ये अब fibrous tissue है सारा, ठीक है ना? It heals by fibrosis so that we can get fresh edges at the fistula site. Is that clear? I am excising the fibrous edge of the fistula tract. Okay? All the fibrous tissue at the fistula edge, it is excised all around the fistula tract. Okay? So that the reason behind is we get a healthier tissue for approximation. Is that clear? Once it has been done, then we close the fistula.
फाइब्रस एज में
सबसे पहले ना सर्कमफ्रेंशियल इंसिजन 1/2
5
सेंटीमीटर
सेंटीमीटर और उसके बाद 2 सेंटीमीटर
नहीं
मोबिलाइजेशन
उसके बाद द फिस्टुला इज लार्ज लेटरल एक्सटेंशन ऑफ दैट इंसिजन और फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर
मंगाओ
सेपरेशन
ना,
ऑफ द
ऐसे
ओवरलाइन
नहीं कर सकते।
मैम लेने
डॉक्टर